My name is Joseph Longworth. I'm the Senior Director of Technical Services at Jubilant Hollister Contract Manufacturing Organization. We are a full-service fill-finish contract manufacturer, which means that we partner with intellectual property owners that have developed a way to make a drug that's effective in people, but they need a partner to manufacture that drug for them. Technical services in the pharmaceutical space is responsible for process ownership. To make a product safely, effectively, consistently, there has to be a level of rigor and engineering in the way that that product is made. As a member of the executive leadership team, I work with the heads of all of the various functions and our CEO. And my responsibility is really to make sure that my teams are empowered with a clear vision, a clear culture, a clear why, and that they have all the resources they need to accomplish all the objectives so that at the end of the day, we put life-transforming medicine in the marketplace with access to patients at the highest level of quality, very reliably. Eastern has something really, really special in the biotech program. What it did was it set me up for when I went into the workforce. I had mastered all these skills that you don't necessarily pick up on purpose, but I had them.